Before starting the video, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In this video, we are going to discuss about revenue expenditure and capital expenditure and the accounting treatment of both the expenditures and the entries to record the expenditures. Revenue expenditure. Firstly, to keep in the mind that revenue expenditure are all those expenditures which do not contribute in efficiency or the life of the asset. Therefore, these expenditures are treated as normal expenses and expensed out from profit and loss account as normal expenses. Few examples of the revenue expenditures are as under. For example, if old building needs to be painted and company spends the money on its paint, it does not contribute anything. That paint does not contribute anything to the efficiency or life of the asset. Therefore, it shall be treated as normal expense and shall be expensed out rather to be added into the cost of asset. Then, if the machinery needs a normal lubrication on daily basis as it is required to work normally, so it shall be expensed out and shall not be added to the cost of the asset because it is not contributing to the life or the efficiency of the asset as well. One thing that you have to keep in notice that when it is said about efficiency of asset, it does not mean the normal working condition, but to renew the asset as the new one. If we were saying while discussing about the revenue expenditures that those expenditures which do not increase the efficiency, so that efficiency means that the asset has been renewed as a new one. Capital expenditures. These are the expenses that contributes to the efficiency of the asset or increases the life of the asset. Here, efficiency means that this type of expenditure renew the assets and increases the efficiency as the new one. So the expense shall be added to the cost of the asset. Let us take a few examples. If a building ground floor needs to be renewed in such a way that the building is too old and it is necessary to get the ground floor be renewed, so this renewal will increase the life of the building because it is about the ground floor. Therefore, the expense shall be treated as capital expenditure and shall be added to the cost of building. Then, a car's engine needs to be replaced. This is a capital expenditure because by changing the engine, the car's efficiency will be increased and the life will be increased as well. So, it shall be added to the cost of car. Now let us take a look on recording the revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. If company pays any revenue expenditure, then it shall be recorded as the expense will be debited and cash will be credited. As we have discussed before that revenue expenditures are treated as normal expenses, so we shall pass the entry like the normal expenses, expense debit and cash credit. If the company pays the capital expenditure, then it shall be recorded as asset debit and cash credit. Why asset is debit? Because we have discussed before that these are the expenses which contributes to the life of the asset or the efficiency of the asset. So whenever we pay a capital expenditure, it shall be same as we have purchased an asset or we have got the old asset renewed. So asset shall be debited and the payment of cash shall be credited. So we have to end the lecture here. Hope you have understood all whatever we said. So if you got any query, you can put into the comment section and that shall be answered in next videos. So do like, share and comment the video. Good luck.